Hey guys, welcome back. And we're at the Southern Scale Trail today, and wow, what an amazing location, guys. So I'm going to take a tumble. This bit, but yeah. Got faith in who's a handbite. And he's out the other side. It's really tight. Perfect scale, mind. This track. Fair play to whoever built this. Slow and steady. Oh god. It's the first time doing something technical like this as well on my tracks. I'm normally on the trail. I feel at ease now I'm on this bit. Just chugging along. The flags. Tight left hand uphill and across the bridge. Should have plenty of traction out of this 6x6 set at the Sam's here. Straight up. Oh, they speak too soon. Yeah, he's up. Oh, he nearly come off it. Oh no. Teeter in. It's like a camber change at the top, is it?
Yeah, a little bit.
That long wheelbase really helps on the hills. Seen you at my rock today on the left, to get out of miss. Tight left, isn't it? Yeah. Some rocks. Alright, we'll be right on them rocks. Again down the other side, I'm going to take a sneaky line. Nice. That gearbox, I'm off it though. Anybody missing a wheel?
That's a big hex on that. 14.
Like a glove. Always in. What an awesome little track. Hitchhiker, see how long we can keep them for.
You ain't got nothing to put in there.
Ah! Oh no! Oh, teetering. These things really don't like to traverse. No wheel weight, so I need to get some in there. There we go, I'm pointing uphill, that's what I want. I think I'll moonwalk over. I still got that hitchhiker. Come on, I'm thinking through. Yes! WPL crew chugging through. Ticket number 23 now, guys. I keep saying they have got a really nice small scale course down here. So I'm really happy with. Really tricky one-handed. Curving on up. Tricky switch over up the top. Oh, it does move, doesn't it? pretty much the same path as Sam, and the 44 is through. It's really thin now off the other end. Oh, it's even thinner again.
Yeah, goes thinner and your gearbox catches.
Long wheelbase of the 44. Yeah, buddy. Nicely done, Sam. Nicely done. Nicely done. I'll wait for you in a minute. Turn around, I'll get the winch ready. While Sam's getting the winch ready, I'm going to catch up. Ticket's 4 to 5, gate's 4 to 5 even. And yeah, we call this Traverse Town. It's really steep, really slippery, loose. And there's Sam waiting for the winch, awesome. 4 hours later, we are winched on. But you want to back it up slowly?
Fire up the old V8.
Fire up the old V8, and I say back it up nice and slow. Back it up, take the tension off. Easy peasy. Really tricky gate here, guys. Gonna squeeze through. Oh. Gonna squeeze through and then swing around. Really loose. Oh, I'll do it. Pass. Coming back. Sam will show you how it's done. Here we go. Nicely done.